We are at Great Zimbabwe.
Great Zimbabwe, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest stone structure in pre-colonial southern Africa, was the capital of the Kingdom of Zimbabwe, built between the 11th and 15th centuries by the Shona people, and is located near Masvingo, Zimbabwe. Great Zimbabwe has been described as one of the most dramatic architectural landscapes in sub-Saharan Africa. It is the largest stone complex in Africa built before the modern era, aside from the monumental architecture of ancient Egypt. The ruins that survive are a 4-hour drive south of Zimbabwe's present-day capital of Harare. It was constructed between the 11th and 15th centuries and was continuously inhabited by the Shona peoples until about 1450. But Great Zimbabwe was by no means a singular complex at the site's cultural zenith. It is estimated that 7 comparable states existed in this region. Location and significance. Situated in the southeastern hills of modern-day Zimbabwe, near Masvingo, Great Zimbabwe was a major trading center and the capital of the Kingdom of Zimbabwe. The site features impressive stone walls, built without mortar, and is divided into 3 main areas: the hill ruins, the Great Enclosure, and the valley ruins. This area, located atop a granite hill, is believed to have been the royal residence and religious center, with traces of human settlements dating back to the 11th to 15th centuries. Great Enclosure. This elliptical structure, built of cut granite blocks, likely housed living quarters, a community area, and a conical tower. Valley ruins. These ruins consist of residential ensembles that were occupied more recently in the site's history. The Kingdom of Zimbabwe, which flourished from the 13th to the 15th centuries, was a Shona trading empire that controlled trade routes along the East African coast. The city was largely abandoned by the 15th century as the Shona people migrated elsewhere, though the reasons for the abandonment are not fully understood. Great Zimbabwe was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986, recognizing its historical and cultural significance. The name Zimbabwe derives from the Shona word, Zimba Zimbabwe, meaning stone houses. Archaeological findings and significance. Archaeologists have found evidence of trade with China, Persia, and Arab countries, including pottery and coins. The site is a testament to the architectural skills and wealth of the Shona people during the Late Iron Age. Great Zimbabwe is considered one of the most dramatic architectural landscapes in sub-Saharan Africa. The preservation of Great Zimbabwe is a challenge, with uncontrolled vegetation growth threatening the stability of its dry stone walls. The National Museums and Monuments of Zimbabwe organization is responsible for the preservation of the site. If you are enjoying this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more great videos.